Tracking sick days, PTO, and time off doesn't have to mean wrestling with spreadsheets anymore. If you're tired of complicated formulas or manually updating a spreadsheet, there's a much easier way to stay on top of your time off. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to track sick days, PTO, and time off without using spreadsheets. And the best part? You can do it all with an intuitive software tool that saves you time and keeps everything organized. First, let's talk about the struggles of using spreadsheets. They can get messy fast, especially if you're tracking time off for multiple people or departments. You're manually entering hours, updating formulas, and if you make a mistake, it can throw off your entire system. Plus, spreadsheets don't give you that quick, real-time overview of your team's availability, and that can cause problems when it comes to planning or approvals. So, what's the better option? There's software designed specifically for this, which streamlines the entire process. Instead of worrying about rows and columns, you simply enter the time off directly into the software, and it calculates everything for you. These tools automatically track sick days, PTO, and vacation time without the headache. You get an immediate view of what's available and what's already been taken. What I'm going to show you today is software that can completely replace spreadsheets. It's user-friendly, flexible, and tracks everything you need, like PTO balances, accruals, sick days, and even custom time off policies. You can set up specific rules for different types of leave, customize it based on your company's needs, and let the software handle the math. And yes, no more manually updating that spreadsheet. The software also allows employees to submit their time off requests directly through the system. They can view their available days, request time off, and even track how much time they've used. Once they submit the request, it's easy for managers to approve or deny it with a few clicks. And it's all logged in the system, so there's no need for messy paper trails or forgotten requests. Now, the software we're using today is one I've personally tested, and I think it's one of the best on the market. It's simple, fast, and integrates easily with other tools you might already be using. The best part? I've partnered with this software to offer you an exclusive free trial. If you're tired of spreadsheets and want an easier way to track time off, you can sign up using the link in the description below. The free trial is available exclusively to viewers of my channel, so you can follow along in real time. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. You no longer need to rely on spreadsheets to track sick days, PTO, and time off. By using the software I showed you, you can automate the process, keep everything organized, and save yourself a lot of headaches. To recap, we talked about how spreadsheets can get messy and inefficient, and we introduced you to software that automatically tracks all your time off needs. I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to get started. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.